everyone, welcome to another weekly vlog. It's Sunday today. It's the most beautiful day outside. I haven't got any plans, but I am waiting in for a package at some point, so I'm too scared to leave the house. But I've got all the windows open, I've got my summer playlist on, I've done some tidying of my room so it looks a little bit better, and I think I'm gonna sit on the sofa. I've got some work to do, and I would also like to start a new book today, so I've got a really good week coming up as well, so I'm definitely going to vlog the rest of that. But yeah, I thought it might be quite nice to just start today. I think my housemate has bought some little daffodils, which is really cute. I'm gonna make some lunch now just because I'm feeling peckish, and then I'm gonna make iced coffee as well. I'm gonna start my teeth whitening tonight, so I was like, I'm gonna get my last coffee in for 2 weeks, because you can't have like red wine or coffee or even blueberries. Apparently you can't have anything that stains your teeth. So I want my last coffee today. I had like a Turkish last night and I didn't eat it all, so I bought some back with me. So I think I've just got like some chicken, so I might just make a chicken sandwich or something, because I haven't got, look, my part of the fridge is completely empty. I don't have any food in, but I'm getting a HelloFresh delivery today, which is very exciting. I've never done it before, but I really wanted to, so I thought I'd show you some of the recipes that I'll be making this week as well. I literally just made my iced coffee, except I didn't have very many ice cubes in the fridge, but just as I was walking back to the living room, my HelloFresh came. I'm so excited for 2 reasons, because now I can see what I've got for dinner for the rest of the week, and it also means I can now leave the house and go for a stroll. Look at this outside. How absolutely beautiful does it look out there? That tree's blooming, and there's a really gorgeous blossom tree over there as well. I'm gonna open this now. So, recipes. I am so excited for this. So first up, I have a lamb stew with basmati rice. These are all the ingredients, and on the other side it tells me exactly how to make it, which is great. I love that it's got pictures, actually. That makes it very handy. Then what else? Oh, I have an aromatic chicken stew, so 2 stews on the menu, and then a grilled aubergine pasta. I have tried to make aubergine at home before, but it went disastrously wrong, so I'm really looking forward to making this. This is so interesting. And then in here there are 3 different meal bags, 1 for each recipe, so it's colour coded. So the lamb stew is with the orange sticker, then I've got green, which is the chicken, and then in here I'm guessing is the meat. Chilled goods, put me in the fridge. I just need to work out now which one I want to have tonight. I might actually make the lamb stew tonight, because I think it'll probably take the longest out of all of them. Already had some chicken today, so I'm gonna go for this one, which is the orange bag. I really want to know what's inside, so I'm gonna have a quick look. Cute. So I'm going to put this all in the fridge now, and then I will cook these over the next couple of days, so you can see how easy it is. So I went on a little walk earlier. I was just like, it's such a nice day and I don't want to be inside all day, so I went for a little walk, which was nice. Got some sun. I feel like the sun always helps my eczema clear up, which is always a good thing. It's nearly 7 o'clock. No, it's nearly 6 o'clock, so I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to make the lamb stew with the basmati rice. So I've got all of my ingredients in the bag. We have some tilde rice, some diced tomatoes, a chicken stock pot, some smoked paprika and green pepper. And I think that's everything, as well as the lamb, which is still in my fridge. So first things first, make the rice, chop pepper, brown. Let's do this. Okay, so my rice is on here. The green peppers are on. I've browned off the lamb and now it's just resting. We don't want it to overcook. It's really quick and easy, this actually. It's not taking long at all. Okay, my stew is nearly done. My basmati is pretty much cooked, I think. So all that's left for me to do is dish it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is mine. I'm really looking forward to trying this. I have got some extra coriander in my fridge, so I am actually going to sprinkle some of that on. I just love coriander. Have it with everything.
This is sweet. Yeah, isn't it?
Look at this beautiful sunset tonight. Oh, that dinner was beautiful. I wasn't expecting it to have much flavour because the ingredients were so simple. It was literally just paprika and a chicken stock cube to add flavour along with the tinned tomatoes, but it was really great. I would definitely make it again. In fact, I have the other half of it in a Tupperware ready to go for tomorrow lunchtime, so I'm going to be eating well this week. I am all snuggled up in bed now. I've written a to-do list for tomorrow because I'm going away on Wednesday for an event with the Body Shop, so I've got a lot to do Monday and Tuesday before I go to that. So I wrote a list just to like know exactly what my plan is so I don't have to like procrastinate and worry too much. It's 8:30. I am going to have a little bit more Easter egg. I've still got Easter eggs left. I've saved my favourite till last, a big Kinder egg, so I'm going to have a little nibble on that whilst I maybe write a blog post. I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. I have just packed a suitcase. I am off very excitingly to Babbington House for the next day, staying overnight. It's an event with the Body Shop and I'm so excited for it. Haven't made my bed, just had a bit of a disaster. I was sent some lilies last week and I was just like picking some of the dead leaves off and got lily things stain, and so I just spent about half an hour trying to get the stains out this top, and now I don't have time to change into anything else. So yeah, great, it's great. My cab's like here in a minute. Oh, I've got some vegan snacks for the train, for the coach, sorry. I also picked up this from Starbucks and a ginger beer. We are here. This is so beautiful. We have just got to Babbington House. Look at this gorgeous table we're having lunch on. Got some products.
Roasting nails and
look at this massive sweet potato. We just had the loveliest vegan lunch and now we are going on a tour of the gardens and we're going to pick some vegetables, I think, and juice our own juices. Which is lovely and lovely. Got these ladies behind me. Hi! Hello!
So this is the wall garden.
Okay.
And we try and grow enough flowers to just do a few flowers.
So these are all the fresh fruit and vegetables and we are going to make our own smoothies, I think. I just made this juice. Put an orange in it, a carrot, a bit of ginger, blueberries, spinach, kale. I think that's it. I'm going to try it now. Very nice. So I've just got into my hotel room, put my bag down, but I haven't even looked around properly yet, but I want to show you. Wow. This is the first thing you see when you come in. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at that view. And I'm guessing this is a walk-in shower. Look at that. Got some lovely Body Shop goodies here as well. Oh, face mask. And then this got a spiral staircase. Hope you have a wonderful stay with us. Oh, that's so cute. What is that? Lip balm. Then I'm guessing, oh, look at the bar cart upstairs. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is the nicest bed ever. I've just taken my base makeup off because I want to redo it. But I just put History on and listen to the song. Hype it up, oh, drum on the bass line, 21 seconds to drop this line inside, give me some more time, give me 29. I had a quick bath, except it wasn't a proper bath because I can't get my tattoo wet, which is a shame. But I wanted to make the most of it anyway. We've got an hour before we need to get ready for dinner, so I'm just going to reapply my makeup. Oh, it's very dark. Try and hopefully get someone to take some pictures of me. Hopefully. I do need to wash my hair later tonight as well, but I'm going to save that till after. So we've got dinner at 7 and then we've got a meditation class at 9, which I'm really looking forward to. We've also got some yoga tomorrow morning, which is also going to be great because I'm getting into my fitness and stuff at the moment. So I am all ready now for the evening. I'll quickly show you what I'm wearing. It's very simple. So I got this gorgeous top in a two-piece from Shein. I obviously am not bringing the shorts to wear because it's way too cold for that, but the top is super cute and I'm just wearing it with my Topstrap Joni jeans. I'm also wearing my new wedgies from ASOS. I love them, they're super comfortable. I'll show you in the mirror in a sec. But I thought I'd also quickly show you why we're here, the products that they have recently launched. Oh gosh, oh my god, I thought I just broke the mirror then. The mirror moves, it's fine. So this launch is firstly for their new body yogurts. This is the British Rose one, but it's basically a body moisturiser which sinks in your skin in 15 seconds. They have like hyaluronic acid in and they're really moisturising, 100% vegan, with great ingredients and almond milk. And yeah, they like sink in as soon as you apply them, so you're not gonna have to worry about waiting a while before you get dressed, and you're not gonna have to worry about being sticky, stuff like that. So you've got the British Rose one. I also in my room have the mango one, which smells just so nice, beautiful fragrance. They also have launched some new face mist. So this mandarin one is energizing, then there's a cocoa calming face mist, and also they are launching the new vitamin E gel moisture cream, and this sinks in, again, hyaluronic acid, 100% vegan, and I used this before I applied my makeup and it was like my skin having a nice big drink. My skin doesn't feel tight at all now, which it normally does after some moisturisers. And they also have left us a couple more treats, like a sleeping face mask, got a candle down there, we've also got some drops of light essence, got a face mask, bath bomb, and also some bits to wash my hair with. I do need to wash my hair later, so strawberry conditioner. I haven't actually used either of these, so that will be interesting to try. Here quickly is what the shoes look like on. They look so simple and beautiful from the front. I really like them, and then from the side they're a nice wedge. So yeah, this is my outfit. We have vegan pizza for dinner. I'm so up for this. We just had the most lovely vegan pizza for dinner, and now I've gone and changed into my dressing gown because we're going to do an evening meditation, which will be just lovely. This place is so beautiful. I can't get over it. We're at our meditation session. That meditation session was lovely, although I did feel really dizzy at one point. She used like a sound crystal, like bowl, and it made me feel really dizzy, but I'm so ready for bed, but I need to wash my hair. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to wash my hair using the new Body Shop stuff, and then I'm going to go to bed, but I will see you bright and early tomorrow. Good morning, it is Thursday and we are up and at a yoga lesson with Kat Lefan. He's just getting music set up. I am now getting ready to leave my room. I really don't want to leave. We had some free time after yoga, so I just did some photo editing and just chilled in this beautiful apartment. I started whitening my teeth 3 days ago. I've done 3 treatments, and today is the first day that I'm like, ow, my teeth are so sensitive. Like, even just to ow, it's really bad. It hurts to even talk, so I think I'm gonna give it a miss tonight and see how I feel tomorrow. But yeah, it's not good. Can't really tell a difference either. I guess a little bit, but ouchie. Right, bye room. It's been lovely knowing ya. Let me quickly do an outfit of the day whilst I'm here. I'm just wearing a little black long sleeved top, Topstrap trainers. Ow! These look so good. This fit. We are now at the train station. My teeth. And we've had a bit of a delay. We were supposed to get a coach, but it didn't show up, so now we're getting a train. Hey everyone, I hope you're well. Today is Saturday, so I'm very aware I didn't end my vlog on Thursday. Basically, the coach that was supposed to take us home from Somerset didn't come, so we had to get taxis to Bath and then get a train from there. And I had like plans Thursday evening and I was going to be very late. It was just a big stress, so I didn't get to end the vlog, but I'm back now. I've just washed my hair and dried it, done my makeup. I'm going to my friend's little sister's 18th birthday party today, this evening, and it's like a slumber party but with like a DJ and a bar, and it's going to be really fun in their house. That's the plan for today. I'm going to leave here about 3 or 4 so I can have a little bit of time with my friends beforehand, before the party. But yeah, I need to pack my bags. I'm going to make some lunch. I've got one more Hello Fresh meal to make, so I'm going to make that now. I made another one during the week. It was the chicken stew. It was absolutely delicious. Would highly recommend. They've also given me a discount code for you guys, so I'm going to leave that down below. I think it means, yeah, my discount code means you get 50% off your first 2 boxes, which is amazing. That'll save you lots of money. And my offer code is Kate Snooks, so I'll leave that link down below and you can check that out if you like the look of it. But yeah, I'm going to make my lunch now. It's like 1 o'clock. Then I need to pack and then curl my hair, then we can get going. So this is the recipe I'm doing: grilled aubergine pasta with chorizo. I am only going to do half and then I'll probably cook the other half tomorrow. So this is what it looks like and this is mine. So the presentation isn't great. It smells amazing, so I'm really excited to try this. Didn't take long at all. I'm going to watch a bit of Sex and the City as well. That lunch was so good. I only made half, but I still had loads left over, so it probably could have served 4 people, which is really great. So I'm gonna have the rest tomorrow and over the course of the next week. I am in the car now, ready to drive to my friend's house. We're gonna get ready together and then go to her sister's 18th birthday party. I just popped to Tesco, picked up some Asti, my fave, Asti time. Also got some sparkling water for the trip and some blueberry muffins for either a snack as we get ready or for tomorrow morning, little breakfast. I quickly wanted to mention about my teeth whitening because I've been doing it for the past, I've done 4 treatments now. I did it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, but Wednesday night I slept with it in all night, like my molds, and the next day I was in agony. Like each tooth was so sensitive, really painful. So I gave Thursday night a miss and then did it again last night, and I'm already starting to see a difference. I feel like the only reason I got the sensitivity and the pain was because I left it in all night, like literally 8 hours, when I'm only supposed to leave it in for 4. So this morning I set an alarm for 4:30 in the morning to take my molds out because I didn't want to have to go through that pain again. But it's subtle, but I'm already starting to see a difference, and I've still got like another week and a half left to go. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep you updated as to how that goes. I'm going to drive now. I need to go get petrol, and then I can set my sat nav up on my phone, listen to some My Favourite Murder podcast, and then I will see you when we get there. So I'm at the party. It's like 10 o'clock, quite tipsy. Was in my PJs, but I'm now changing out of them because it's too cold outside. The party is going on, I'll show you. In a little marquee, music's blaring. But yeah, I'm just changing into some leggings and a jumper because it's way too cold and I'm too old for this now. I'll try and keep you updated though. I'm gonna stay at my friend's house tonight, which should be nice. Little slumber party once this party ends. But yeah, maybe I'll keep this top on. Just add leggings, it'll be fine.
That's why it's hard for me to kiss my lover. That girl is...
I think it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. We've just got home back to Sophie's house, so we are going to get into bed now. I hope you've enjoyed this weekly vlog. Be sure to subscribe and I will see you next week. Mwah!